Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to check out Market Insights on the Domain application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application, and after that you should select the property that you are interested in. Then you should scroll down until you find the Market Insights section, including the median price trend. Tap on the View More button where you can check out two sections, the suburb performance. You can see this chart, and the price information and the local sales can be checked out by tapping on the second section at the top of the screen. If you are interested in it in more details, just tap on the relevant one and then you can compare the local sales. If you are done, click on the Done button in the upper right corner of the screen. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.